Temporary tent structures like those used for outdoor celebrations, sporting events, and festivals can cause severe injuries if a structural failure occurs. While these failures are not common, when tents do fail, it's often the result of improper setup, assembly, or design deficiencies. In this video, we will discuss the failure modes most relevant to our forensic investigations. Our experts are well equipped to investigate tent structures of all configurations, from small canopy tents to large engineered event structures. Regardless of the size, shape, or anchoring method, our investigation and analysis procedures follow the same process. A properly engineered tent relies on three integrated structural elements all working together. 1. The membrane covering. This is a fabric shell that provides weather protection and transfers wind, rain, and snow loads to the supporting frame. 2. The primary support elements. These consist of posts that support vertical loads and transfer them to the ground, beams that span horizontally between posts to carry roof loads, and lateral braces for some larger, more complex tents. Finally, the foundation system. This is comprised of tension ties consisting of cables or straps that maintain structural shape, anchors that create points of resistance against uplift and lateral forces, or ballast systems that provide resistance to overturning and uplift through weights. Unlike permanent structures, temporary tent structures are lightweight and rely heavily on proper tension and anchoring to maintain stability. Loads such as wind, rain, and snow are transferred through the structure to the ground through the following sequence. Wind contacts the membrane surface. It then transfers to the beams. The beams transfer the load to the posts with the lateral bracing systems providing stability. The load then transfers to the anchoring system and finally transfers to the ground. An incomplete load path or a failure in any component of the load path can result in catastrophic failure. Tent failures often occur during sudden wind events, after poor installation, or when site conditions are not adequately considered. There are two main types of failures that lead to tent structure collapses, though other failure modes do exist. Stability failure or toppling is caused by insufficient lateral bracing or inadequate rigid connections. The wind forces create progressive deformation of the frame. The posts rotate at their bases, causing the entire structure or portions of the tent to collapse. Anchorage failure is a result of inadequate anchor capacity or improper installation of structure. The tent tips over or blows away while remaining relatively intact. The anchors pull out or ballast slides, frequently associated with improper stake installation or insufficient ballast. Robson forensic is frequently retained to investigate the failure of tent structures. Our investigations and analysis account for the applicable standards of care, the applicable loads, and the causation of the failure. Contact us to discuss the details of your case.